How to replace the thermostat in a freezer. Gather your tools. Remove the protective cover. Set the multimeter to 750 volts. Check if the thermostat voltage is normal. If the voltage doesn't change, there's a problem. Turn off the power. Make sure the power is completely off. Disconnect the power wires. Remove the clips holding it in place. Replace with the new thermostat. Reinstall the clips. Pay attention to the orientation. Reconnect the power wires. Make sure the wires are secure. Turn it on and test if the voltage is normal. Put the protective cover back on. Close the freezer door. Check if the control panel works properly. Finally, make sure the freezer is cooling inside.